You ever needed a really specific part, but like that part takes weeks to come in? If only we could just print things and have them here when we need them. Guess I'm 2D now, but it don't have to be. See, we're going down to the Met lab today to talk to Jason Griffith, a technician here at the Met office, about today's Met Tech, the 3D printer. See you guys there.
3D printers is a very essential, useful tool that you could use in industrial works. Here at the Met lab, we use 3D printers for our 3D pause, creating our representations. 3D printers use a special type of plastic filament. That's what it's called. It basically heats the plastic into the preferred object or item that you want. All of our representations are created with printed objects from the 3D printer. It's a low budget option for us to create our stations. The only stuff that are not printed is the basically the local hardware like conduit connections, but everything else is 3D printed. So as I said before, our 3D printers could print anything up to car parts, playful stuff, fun stuff. Even print your own BMW emblem and cool stuff for the kids, lizards, flex, dinosaurs, cool stuff. Anything that you could think of, really, 3D printer prints it.
Right guys, so the 3D printer, pretty cool, right? Save us on time because you don't have to wait on shipping, and save us on cost because we don't have to buy expensive parts so long as we can print it. With that said though, make sure to stick around so you can see what other cool technologies we use to get you reliable, quick, and up-to-date information. Stay safe guys. Reliable fix today. Yeah, cool, sure. I'll call that wraps.